Hi everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just thought I'd do a video today on my Loofah plants that I'm growing for the first time this year. It is one of those strange things that you just think to yourself, I'll try growing that, see if I can do. I know we're in the UK, so it's not a normal thing to try, but I've been trying to grow them, or not trying, they are growing, and I've been growing them indoors and they're doing pretty well. Let me show you. So here we are, check out these bad boys. Some of you may remember that I sowed the seed back in March when we got to doing the April vegetable review. They were less than 2 inches in height, but all of a sudden, literally within the last fortnight, so probably first week of May, they just went into overdrive, really started putting on some growth. You know, I've never grown them before. This thought it'd be something different to try. Yes, they have been grown indoors in the kitchen, but now I'm going to pot them on. Thought I'd go into this size, which is a 3 litre pot, and with a 3 foot high cane. As I say, I've got no knowledge of growing these, so I thought that probably is appropriate at the moment, as they are a vigorous climber. Yeah, let me pot them up and show you the finished product. There we are, as promised. That's the loofahs all finished, been potted up. So what I did was I've cut off the original ties, taken off the old split pea canes. The canes were actually alongside the main stem, but because these new bamboo canes are substantially bigger, what I did was I set it right up next to the root ball, but not going through the root ball, as I didn't want to do damage at this stage of the season, not that when they're growing this well. So yeah, so they're doing pretty well, and as soon as hopefully we get to next stage of some flower, then I'll do another video update for you. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Hope you've found it mildly interesting, and you know, keep subscribing and send me any questions you might have on anything really, anything horticultural related. Thanks a lot. Bye.